expect you to seem so you.
My time as a human was over, but I never felt more alive. I thought we would be safe forever, but forever isn't as long as I'd hoped.
I had to report a crime. Collins, they've done something terrible.
Tell her everything's for Nesbitt's only child.
She was born, not bitten. She grows every single day.
Creating an immortal child has long been outlawed and is met with the severest form of punishment. Death. What is it, Alice?
Volturi, they're coming for us.
If enough people knew the truth, maybe we could convince Volturi to listen.
Our search began looking for vampires in the most remote corners of the world.
My family's in danger. I need your help.
Each with their own gift.
You, an amazing woman. We'll join you. The Pax will fight. I've never been afraid of vampires.